I'm here today to give you an update on Doge, the famous dog in the crypto space. We're going to be breaking this down from a technical analysis perspective, and we're also going to be going into some massive, I'm talking humongous price predictions for the next 6 to 12 months, okay? So we're going to be starting off with Doge here, talking about market structure, guys. Very important levels to be looking out for here from a market structure standpoint. As you can see, these are all higher lows, okay? These are all higher low areas that we need to be looking out for here, because this determines whether Doge is in a bullish trend or a bearish trend, okay? So right now you can see the higher lows that we're referring to are these little yellow dotted lines, okay? So the most recent higher low that we have seen for this asset is unfortunately all the way down at 12 cents, okay? So what does that mean? It means you can actually swing down 38% here in terms of the price, 39%, and still be in a bullish trend, okay? So that's very important to see here, guys, because especially being a meme coin, with meme coins, when you see a sell-off coming through, for example, from there, only naturally it crashes down quite aggressively, okay? So that's definitely something you need to be aware of here, because when Doge does take a tumble, if it takes a tumble like we did see here, again, it's very aggressive when it does happen, but the bounce points for the market structure will be 12 cents and 11.4, okay? I don't see it going lower than that right now, just due to the amount of retail money coming into this asset. It's looking very, very bullish overall. In terms of a trend line here, guys, this is what I would be looking out for here, is very, very strong momentum to the upside. You can see in terms of percentages there, 141%. God damn. And also 80% to the upside as well there, 77%. Crazy stuff there. So if we do come down and touch this area of around 17 cents, I probably would expect, it's the wrong tool, I don't know how it got to that. I probably would expect a nice move of at least around... Just quickly, guys, I want to talk to you about a free cryptocurrency webinar that I'm hosting every single day. In this webinar, it basically shows you a simple 5-step strategy on how you can build a 5-figure a month income in as little as 42 days. Everyone that attends this webinar will get access to a new strategy worth $250 and also $300 worth of mindset training as well. If that interests you, link is in the description. Also, link is in the top side of the screen, just up there as well. If you want to get involved with that, just click there. But for now, back to the video. 30%, because usually you take the volume, sorry, you take the momentum, you cut it in half, right? So for example, you've got 141%, down now at 70%. So this is likely to be around 35%, still just being conservative, guys. So that would actually mean testing highs and breaking highs for Doge here in this current cycle, okay? So very, very bullish here on Doge overall, especially coming down to this area. This will be the buy zone, the big buy zone for Doge, coming down to around 16 cents there. And also you can see this little red dotted line. That's also the unconfirmed higher low from the most recent pullback. So what we need to do to confirm that is essentially breaking this high. Once we break this high, guys, that will confirm this higher low, and then like we said at the start of this video, the market structure is looking a lot more solid, okay? So even if you pull back to this area, once it's been confirmed, not just yet, once you pull back to this area, it's still going to be the nice bullish uptrend, okay? So overall, Doge is looking insane, okay? So load up your bags, sell your house, sell your dog, long Doge. I'm joking, don't do that, but some very, very nice charting action coming through from a technical analysis standpoint. Now, let's look at volume-weighted average true range. Don't want to confuse you guys too much with this, but it's very, very important here. And you can see the volume-weighted average true range 12-hour band. You have actually closed above that. Very, very good stuff. That is in a progressionary stance as well. So that's another bullish sign. We've got the 3-day in a progressionary stance as well. Closed above that. Momentum very, very strong. Again, momentum very, very strong from this area. One thing I would be worried about is the 60-minute. It is currently in a digressionary stance, so you want to be turning this to the upside. Okay, turn this bad boy on, and it will be progressionary with the 4-hour, and then you can soar to the goddamn moon. Okay, so looking really, really strong there for Doge. Let's get into a price prediction for the next 6 to 12 months to see how much money you could be making if you were just to buy Doge right now and just hold it. Okay, let's just take that into account. If you were just to hold it from now until this time next year, for example. So let's get into that. Let's bring up Doge here on CMC and break down previous market caps, previous all-time highs, and let's see what we're looking out for here, guys. And just before, while that's loading, we need to take into consideration that this is the biggest, I'm talking the biggest Mount Everest bull market in history for cryptocurrency. Okay, and what does that mean? From a meme coins, what does that mean on a meme coin perspective? It means that a lot of new money, a lot of retail, a lot of dumb money like us guys, and when I say dumb money, I mean not institutional money like BlackRock, okay, no hedge funds. We're talking retail, we're talking the grinders, the 9 to 5ers, the retail money coming in, the dumb money they call it, right? A lot of that money flows directly straight into meme coins. It's one of the first things that people buy, which is very bullish for these meme coins. It can send them to billions and billions and billions of dollar market caps, and that's why we're seeing obviously Solana doing really, really well from a meme coin perspective. So yeah, just to cement that point in, the amount of capital, the amount of money that's going to be coming through from retail is going to be crazy, the biggest we've ever seen in history for cryptocurrency, and most of it's going to be flowing through into meme coins to start off with. So that's a very insanely bullish sign for an asset like Doge. Okay, so let's get into previous all-time highs for Doge, and you can see at the height of the bull market back in 2021, we saw the height being 64 cents. Okay, so we didn't get to $1, unfortunately, but we did get to 64 cents. Okay, so if you are holding your Dogecoin from now until 64 cents, which is the all-time high, which I do think there's more in the tank for that, guys, and I'm not going to go into it, but there is hints on Elon incorporating Doge into X, and yeah, if he does that, then game over, man. Game over. Okay, it's going to be insane for Doge. So what I would say here for Doge in terms of a very conservative price prediction, just up to previous all-time highs, it's going to be around a 3.1x, guys, around 218% on your investment, and that will bring us up to 64 cents. Now, if Doge is going to get to $1, which I really do think it will, over the next sort of bull market here, I think maybe even $1 is pretty conservative for Doge here. I do think it's going to absolutely run. It's going to be crazy. Remember, it's the biggest bull market in history, guys. Very, very important. So yeah, we're going to be looking at around a 5x for that investment. But yeah, let me know if you guys are getting into Doge. I'm very, very intrigued, and whether you got in previous run or whether you hold some now, or if you're looking for a potential buy area. The buy area that I really would be buying more Doge at is going to be this area. Okay, guys, this is the confirmed not confirmed high or low, but confirmed market structure point for momentum to the upside. It looks really, really strong overall. And if you get in here and it dumps down to here, I'm just going to be buying more here. Okay, it's a very bullish asset overall, and this is the biggest bull market in history, and a lot of the money is going to be flowing through this asset. So yeah, just take that into consideration. I wouldn't miss out on this opportunity. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, all that good stuff, but it's basically free money buying this asset. Okay, but yeah, that's gonna be it from me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Drop a like on it if you liked it. But yeah, that's gonna be it from me. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.